Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete domains from Shopify, whether you're cleaning up old domains or removing ones you no longer need. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step. First, open your web browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the store where you want to delete the domain, as this will ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your store. Now direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This section is where you can control all the important configurations for your store, including domain management. Once you're in the settings area, you'll notice another menu on the left side. From this menu, click on Domains. This will take you to the domains management page where you can view all the domains currently connected to your Shopify store. Here you'll see a list of all your active domains, whether they're primary, redirected, or custom domains you've added over time. Now comes the actual deletion process. Browse through the list and find the specific domain you want to remove. Once you've located it, look to the right side of that domain entry. You should see a trash can icon beside it. This icon is your delete function. Go ahead and click on the trash can icon. A confirmation message will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you really want to delete this domain. This is an important safety feature to prevent accidental deletions. In the confirmation pop-up, click Delete Domain to finalize the removal. And that's it. The domain has now been successfully removed from your Shopify store. This is particularly useful when you're consolidating domains, switching to a new primary domain, or simply cleaning up your account to keep things organized and manageable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.